the meaning and sounds of poetry. Poetry is a whispering shadow of imaginations expressed into the mirror of rhythmical calmness. Poetry is an imagination of beauty bestowed by irony of affection. Poetry is a sentiment of tranquility, bears and rhythmical expressions. Poetry is a phrases of sayings, one word to another words, arranged in order of rhythm and rhyming. Poetry is an affection of feelings deep from the heart, expressed into lines of rhythmical words. Poetry is an imagination of beauty. Put it through lines of words, of rhyming and rhythmical expressions. Poetry is a whispering shadow of truths into the mirror of words, expression.